Hey guys, good morning and hello today. Today is amazing. I mean, really, so much water. Check it out. I mean, never seen this much in my life, even in a creek. Where we live is amazing. All of this. I mean, really, can this get even better? I mean, really, guys. All of this from one little storm. Well, I wouldn't even call it little. All of this. I mean, really, can this get even better? Even better than today. I mean, wow. Ugh, this is insane. Now, here's something you'll never forget. A never before seen pond. Look at this. I mean, really. Never ever seen it before. Lots and lots of water. I mean, last night I couldn't even sleep. Not one bit. I mean, really. My dog Cowboy was so scared of the storm last night. Not to complain, but he's 6 years old. Got him when he was 4. I'll show you him when in part 2. Check out the water again. I mean, the hashtag wow is never forgotten. Ever before seen, when I first got down here, I saw a teenage snapping turtle. It's hibernating right now. My dad says that they only come out from hibernating until April. I mean, really. All of this. All of this. All of this from last night. Get off me. I mean, really. This can't get even insane than this. Oh, and by the way, construction going on today. We're having new buildings. As you can hear in the background, my 19-year-old sister named Mary. 19-year-old sister named Mary just moved in last Tuesday.
Not last Tuesday, more. It was like more than that.
Just say hi.
Hi.
Well, that's all you get from her. She's always on her phone. That's all she does.
I don't have my phone either.
She can be weird sometimes. Well, still. Hashtag cool, y'all. Stay tuned for part 2 on Mora's Animal Wild channel. Hashtag y'all. Hashtag go, y'all. Peace.